In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear search history on Chrome Android. If you've been browsing on your phone and want a quick reset, clearing your history is a simple way to tidy things up and protect your privacy. This process removes the list of sites you've visited and searches you've made in Chrome on your Android device. It won't delete your saved passwords or bookmarks, and you can choose exactly what to remove. Start by opening the Chrome app on your Android device. Once you're in Chrome, look to the top right corner and tap the More icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots. This opens a small menu with several options. From here, select Delete Browsing Data. Depending on your version, it may appear as Clear Browsing Data, but it's the same place you need to be. At the top of this screen, you'll see Time Range. This controls how far back you want to clear your data. If you only want to remove very recent searches, choose Last Hour or Last 24 hours. If you're cleaning up older activity, pick Last 7 days or Last 4 weeks. To wipe everything Chrome has stored on this device, select All Time. This is the most thorough option and is great if you're handing off your phone or starting fresh. Next, make sure the box for browsing history is checked. That's the setting that specifically removes your visited sites and search entries from Chrome. You'll also see other options like cookies and site data, and cached images and files. If you don't want to sign out of sites or lose stored website preferences, leave cookies unchecked. If you want pages to keep loading quickly using saved images, leave cached images unchecked as well. Only keep the items you truly want to remove selected. When you're ready, tap the Delete Data button at the bottom of the screen. You may see a brief confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm. Chrome will process your request, and within a few moments your browsing history will be cleared based on the time range you chose. A quick note: if Chrome Sync is turned on with your Google account, clearing your browsing history here may also remove that activity across your other signed-in devices. If you only want to remove history on this device, consider adjusting your sync settings beforehand. That's it. You've successfully cleared your search history in Chrome on Android, making your browser a little cleaner and your activity a bit more private.